Dear connections, hope you all are doing well. Today we will discuss about one more important interview question of Power BI, that is query folding. So interviewer will ask you about what is query folding. This is a very important question. Interviewer will definitely ask this question to all of you. So to answer this question, I want to show you the MS SQL server of my laptop. So this is the MS SQL server of my laptop. I created one sample database called sample underscore db, and I imported one Excel called student. In that student Excel, three columns are there: full name, age, and class. Okay. Now I will connect this MS SQL server with my Power BI. So let's jump into our Power BI screen. So this is our Power BI. To connect to MS SQL server with it, we need to click on get data. Then this is the SQL server option. Click on SQL server. Here you need to give the SQL server name. So in my case, the SQL server name is desktop hyphen. Let me type desktop hyphen P591 P591 ON2 ON2. So this is the server name, and the database name is sample underscore db. So it will be sample underscore db, sample underscore db. Always remember that it this part or in Power BI, this query folding will work only in import mode. It will not work in direct query mode. So now click on OK. After that, this transformation window will come. Here I will check the student database. As you can see, full name, age, and class. See, null value is there, so we need to transform it. So click on transform data. So let's do some transformation. See here, there is a null value. So let's replace the null value with some value, like replace value, and we will find null value and replace with 3. Let's say Pandu Singh is in class 3. See, transformation already done. Now here comes the important thing. So to get the query folding data, you need to click on replace. You need to click on any of the steps. Right click, and here you will see the view native query. Click on this option. See, this is not DAX language. This is not M code. This is SQL code. We can directly copy this SQL code, Control C, and we can use it here, Control V. Now if we execute this, see, after executing, the null value gone and it came. So like this way we can use the query folding. And query folding will work only in our source data table. Like here I am using SQL server. In other companies they can use Oracle database, they can use SAP HANA, and many other relational database. So yeah, I hope you all understood the thing. Thank you.